Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 12. In a survey of 50 newspaper readers, 40 read Champion and 30 read Guardian. How many read both papers? A 15, B 5, C 10 and D 20. Now we can represent this using a Venn diagram in order to get the number of those that read both papers. Now the universal set is 50. That is 50 readers. Now out of these 50 readers, it was established that 40 read Champion. Let's represent Champion with C. And then 30 read Guardian. Let's represent Guardian with G. Now out of those that read Champion and those that read Guardian, some read both papers, as some read both Champions and Guardian. Let's call those X. So we can now say here is since those that read Champion is 40, we can now say here is 40 minus X, and those that read Guardian is 30, we can now say 30 minus X. So now when we sum up all this, it will give us 50, which is the universal set. So we can now say 40 minus X plus X, that is 40 minus X simply means those that read that read Champion alone, plus X, which is those that read both Guardian and Champion, then plus 30 minus X, which represent those that read Guardian alone, and all this will give us 50. Now from this we'll have that 40 plus 30 will give us 70, then minus X plus X will give us 0, then we have minus X equals to 50. So from here we have that 70 minus 50 is equal to X, so therefore X is equal to 20. So the number of those that read both Champion and Guardian is 20, which is option D. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.